Hello everyone, welcome to our first tutorial on our Python programming series. So today we are going to look into how to set up the environment and get ready to write our Python programs. So what are the requirements? You need to have a laptop / a PC. It should be a Windows, Mac OS or a Linux, anyone. At least the laptop should come with, or the PC should come with 4 GB RAM. And then you should have some space free. And then there are some software you need to install as well. Your Python latest version, Visual Studio Code, which is going to be the IDE we are going to use for this course. Some people, if you prefer using PyCharm and the rest, but we are going to use Visual Studio Code for this course. Then the extension you will install is going to be Python extension on your Visual Studio Code, and then Jupyter extension as well. So first, step-by-step guide, you need to install Python. You go to this site. This link will be provided in the video. Then we copy the link, go to your Chrome browser. So this is the official Python website where you can download your Python software. So you just have to click on download. The latest version is 3.13.5. I will not have to download it again. It's already done. But I already have the software in my system, so there was no need of me downloading it again. So after that, we have to double click on it. Let's go to our download to install. Just double click on it and then it will start the installation. Because I've already installed Python in my system, so this came up, it's trying to ask me to modify, repair or uninstall. I'm not doing neither of it, so I'll just have to cancel. Yes, for sure, I want to cancel it. So please, when you are installing your Python, enable to check the box add to path. Enable to check the box add to path. So after the installation process has been completed, we want to check if Python is installed in our system. We can go to our CMD, and there is a command prompt or PowerShell for those people that are using PowerShell. Then all you need to do is Python, type Python -- version. So I'm sorry, I think that is spelling out version. You can see from my system I have Python 3.13.5. So with this, you know that Python is installed in your system. So we are going to go and install our Visual Studio Code as VS Code, which is the IDE you're going to use for this training series. So all you need to do, we copy the link again, you go to our Chrome, paste it there. Oh please, I'm sorry, that was link for Python. You are looking for VS Code. You can just type VS Code download. Then this is the official site to download VS Code, excuse me. So double click on it, and then you see your operating system. They have option for Windows, they have option for Debian, that is Ubuntu. They have option for Mac OS. For me, it's going to be my Windows operating system because I'm using Windows. So Windows 10 and 11, 64-bit. So you should start downloading that automatically. I won't be downloading it again because I've already done that. Let's just let it to finish, so we know how the process goes. Okay, for some reason my internet is slow. Now give it some moment. Okay, So the installation is complete. You go to your download folder, you see your VS Code setup, double click on it. Just your normal way of installing other software in the system. It give you some time. Then to tell you to accept, do not accept. Please accept the terms and condition. If you have the time, you can read through it, please. Then next, please ensure that all these things are ticked, add to pad, register, and everything. And if you want the icon to appear on your desktop, you can also tick it, but I don't want that. Then next, then install. So it's going to prepare for installation and the rest of it. I've already installed it on my system, so I'm going to cancel it. Are you sure you want to cancel it? Yes, I'm canceling it. So when you are done installing your studio code, your VS code, okay, so we are going to open our VS code software, wait for it to load. Then it is here. Go with this one. Okay, so you won't see all this when you are opening it for the first time. You have to just move to your extension. When you go to your extension, search for Python extension. So we have it here. This is it. But I've already installed it in my system, so it's showing uninstall. So all you need to do is you install the Python extension. After that, you install Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter. Yeah, so this is Jupyter. So because I've already installed the Jupyter, is telling me I should uninstall, which I don't want to do that. So you can install it from here. So after you have done that, let's go and check what we have here. We have installed the extension VS Code, installed the Jupyter extension as well. So what we are going to do is we're going to write our first Python code. We're going to write our first Python code. So moving to our studio code. Before then, we are going to create a folder for this class. Let's do that. New, then Python tutorial. Pardon me if I'm not correcting my spellings. Python tutorial. So this is the folder, so that every work we do will be saved in that folder. So you come to your file, open folder, then you look for Python tutorial, select it. Okay, I don't want to save that. So we are here. Welcome. You can create our first Python file, which is hello.python, please. It comes Python program comes with the extension .python. So from here you can just be like print. Then we go with this string as well. Hello. Hello world. Hello world. So run the code. So you look at our terminal. This is the code. The code has successfully executed. Hello world. Oh, please, my word was incorrect. It doesn't really matter anyways. So that is it for that. So but we can still run it because we installed our Jupyter extension. We can still run it from there, .ipynb file. So we are using now hello.ipynb. So we can install it, we can run the code in real time as we are writing it as well. So this is it, using the Jupyter notebook. Like, okay, print, same thing, print function. Then we go with this, and then this. Okay, so it's connected to our canal at 3.13.5 can. So we just wait for it, so you can see the result. So you see the reason why we need to install the Jupyter extension, so that we can just run the code and it will give us the results here instead of us taking it to the terminal. So that's where we are going to stop for today, and I hope and thank you for being in class. I hope you'll be also present throughout our series, and I promise you won't regret being a participant of this great series. Thank you.